Thank you, Mr. President. Just to be clear, no, yung 60 billion na binalik ng House and which our chairman is retaining, yun yung tinanggal nung 2024. Okay? So binabalik yan ngayon. Pero yung kailangan bayaran in 2026 is 69.78 at ang nasa NEP lang is 53. So kulang ng 16 billion. Yun yung hinihingi ko kay chairman na sana at least for 2026 pakita natin na na-earmark na to, ibigay itong buong 69. Tapos we go backwards pa na earmark na ibang amount. But I'll just focus on that 69 total, which is short of 16 billion for 2026. Thank you.
Okay. So that's the first point I want to make. Na if I'm going to be very liberal and not ideal, I will yield to Senator Legarda.
Thank you.
Yeah.
I appreciate the clarification of Senator Pia Cayetano. The 60B in the HGAB for 2026 is, in my understanding, yung bayad utang. I
Yes.
used that in the interpellation, which the DOF refused to say utang. So whatever it is called, the 60B taken away from PhilHealth in 2024 was placed in the HGAB, which we are studying now. But it is actually not 60B. The DOF in 2024 got, what is the exact amount? More than 60B because the Supreme Court did a TRO on the remaining funds. It's 80 plus. Give me exact. 89. Ayun. Galing yung prompter. Yes, 89 na TRO yung balanse kaya hindi na nakuha. Pero yung 60B nakuha. That is why I asked the DOH or PhilHealth to give us a liquidation of where they put this. Did they actually put it in health-related expenses or in flood control or in infrastructure? Infrastructure for hospitals, yes, or health facilities. It was still unclear in the interpellations.
Yes.
So, in the coming year, they owe it to us and to the Filipino people that they explain where they put the 60B. And I hope, and thank you to the chair, that he retained the 60B. That's only 2024. Senator Pia Cayetano is correct in saying that we, meaning Senate and the House, owe the Filipino people and PhilHealth the amount allocated in the NEP of 2025.
Yes.
It was in the HGAB. It was in the GAA. Taken out in the BICAM. I'm sorry, I have to say this, right, Senator Pia? So, it is not in this year's GAA. And mind you, it is a mandated earmark allocation from the sin tax law. Tama ba? Yes. So, yun po ang hindi pa natin binibigay. Yung sinabi po ni Senator Pia Cayetano na nasa NEP ng 2026 for next year, kulang. That means those who are doing the NEP, at least for this provision, are violating the law because they are not allocating the correct amount. Short, linagay nila 53, ang dapat 69. Short ng mga 16 billion. So why don't they compute it correctly? Susunod na lang ng batas, tinimbang ngunit kulang.
Yes.
So bakit po ganon? So ang utang po ng Kongreso, meaning Senado at Kongreso, sa taong bayan sa pamamagitan ng PhilHealth ay yung balanse ng 2026 na kulang ng 16B at yung nawala sa GAA na 60B, tapos yung PAGCOR at PSO na ayaw pa rin nilang ibigay.
Therefore, the question that is begging to be asked is why did the 19th Congress allow that?
Yeah,
Pinayagan yung alisin sa BICAM eh.
that is correct. Are you interpolating me, Mr. Senate President?
No, I'm
Yes.
asking
It's a good question.
the House
Yes.
because
So-
that is the question that's going
Yes.
to be
Let me put it on record
asked by
para
the people
sigurado.
watching us on Facebook right now.
Salamat.
Eh, bakit daw pinayagan ng 19th Congress?
Hindi po ako
Ginalaw sa
pumayag,
BICAM.
hindi po ako
Hmm.
hindi po ako pumirma ng budget BICAM. At
No.
hindi po ako parte ng
Sa-
BICAM
Same tayo ni Senator Pia. We didn't
Tayo.
sign the BICAM.
because we were not in favor.
One thing is
of
clear.
that.
You started, Senator Legarda, by saying what is clear. One thing is clear. Malabo talaga. Yun ang clear. Pag tinatanong natin ang DOH para luminaw, lalong lumalabo. Di ba?
Ah,
Not,
okay.
not only in PhilHealth. They have 34 billion for HPEP. They said, mas priority nila yung grassroots, yung primary healthcare. Nung tinanong ko, magkano budget sa 34 for primary? 4 billion. Magkano sa secondary, tertiary? 30 billion. So malabo, di ba? Kasi sabi mo, priority yung
Pero hindi
primary.
naman linalagay ang
Oo,
pondo.
same thing sa PhilHealth. The first point I want to make is simple. If I wasn't going to be a stickler for rules, if I was going to be totally liberal, not ideological here, simple lang ang tanong PhilHealth, magkano kailangan mo? At ang sabi ni Dr. Tony Dance at may grupo silang ever since nagbabantay nito, I think they work closely with Senator Pia. You need 147B this 2026, no? So actually that's the shortcut nung tanong ko kay Senator Win kay Chairman. How much of the 147 billion na kailangan ng PhilHealth? Remember, PhilHealth promised that by February tapos na yung kanilang bagong survey. So hopefully yung no or zero billing matupad. Let me just point out, Mr. Chairman, because not everyone was here noon, no? PhilHealth and the Secretary Herbosa was pointing out Thailand and US. Ito ang kaibahan ng Thailand, US at Pilipinas. Sa Thailand, magbabayad ka ng 100 baht o operahan ka na. Gagamutin ka na. Tapos ang billing is between the government and the hospital. Ganon din sa US, kahit turista ka. Tatanungin ka, meron ka bang travel insurance? Pero kahit hindi ka sumagot, gagamutin ka. Then hahanapin ka, ibibill ka. Sa Pilipinas, only if it's life-threatening can the hospital not admit you. But if it is not life-threatening in their analysis, hindi matutuloy yung yung procedure mo. So that's why it's important that ma-finalize ng PhilHealth yung packages at saka yung kung ano man ang sistemang gagamitin nila kung magkano. But if it is true that 147B ang kailangan, and I have no reason to doubt, how much are we actually giving PhilHealth for 2026?
So ang allocation po for 2026 is about 113 billion, Mr. President. And just to join the conversation, talaga hong based doon sa syntax law, may mga shortfalls yung pagre-remit ho sa PhilHealth. And I talked to Senator Pia, Senator Risa, and Senator Lauren na next year, 2027, let's come up with a payment scheme or payment plan na every year mabayaran na itong shortfall.
I appreciate that, Mr. Chair. That was my second point, di ba? Kaya lumobo din yung sa military. Kasi nga, hindi nagkaroon ng cut-off So, halimbawa, sa 5th year may utang ka. Starting sa 6th year, hindi ka na uutang. I mean, bayaran mo na ng tama. I think the starting point for hopefully next year, pero kung sabihin natin 2027 is, ano ba yung allocation nyo? Hindi pwedeng hindi ibigay in accordance with law or
Correct.
amend the law.
Tama.
Diba? Okay. So, having said that, Mr. Chair, may I manifest na kung 17 billion lang naman yung diferensya na, no? Hindi ko nilalang ang 17 billion, pero alam kong kayang hanapin yon. Kung between 130 and 147 ang kailangan, why don't we symbolically all agree to find that 17 billion, no? Again, not for, there are certain things that I would try to insist that be here today. Especially that smaller, kasi katulad nung sinabi kong sa Mindanao Railway, malaki naman ang tinanggal natin sa DOTR So by merely restoring some of that, tingin ko pwede. But katulad nito, I would still think if you can meet nga with several advocacy groups
Yes, Mr.
and
President.
we can find a way, I think it will be a small victory for all of us, no? All of you who fought for this, kung maibigay yung 17B. Tapos to semi-answer the Senate President, actually hindi legislature May ang nangyari, may nagamit yung administration sa special provision paano ilipat yung pondo.
Ni number 4.
Oo. And technically, the theory was good. The theory was, if you have excess funds anywhere and you use it productively, 'di ba? So kung may kumpanya ka, 'di ba, Win and Allen Corporation, no? And may tatlong bulsa, shampoo, health products at saka kotse. At medyo awas siya cash yung kotse. Actually, kung gagamitin mo yung pera to build that company, babalik din siya. Yun yung intention. Ang problema nga, nangyari yung flood control at nabuko yung PhilHealth na hindi naman pala kayo zero billing o no billing, di ba? But theoretically, if awash in cash yung PhilHealth at walang Pilipino na hindi nakakakuha ng tamang health services, di ba? Then it would be a finance issue, no, between PhilHealth, between a GOCC. It's very emotional because it's health. But for example, kung BCDA yan, may sobrang 60 billion ng BCDA, I don't think any one of us will think twice nang gamitin muna namin yan to build something, no? So pagdating nga sa health, Mr. President, Senator Win, no? Hanggang ngayon, nasa Metro Manila pa rin yung Heart Center, Lung Center, Kidney Center, National Children's Hospital, Fabella. I'm happy that they're building in Clark. But it's amazing na nauna pa yung private sector sa atin samantalang ang laki-laki na ng budget. So for 2026, are we building in Mindanao, Visayas, or Southern Luzon? Central Luzon meron na, or Northern Luzon, any of these kinds of hospitals?
Ang strategy po ng DOH is to really bring those specialty services or specialty health services to the countryside. In fact, yun yung campaign promise ni Majority Leader natin. I remember yung 2020